Look at these images. Precision edits that change one element while keeping everything else intact. OpenAI just dropped GPT Image 1.5, and it's solving the exact problem that's been driving creators insane. But here's what makes it truly game-changing. It's not just about precision, it's 4 times faster than its predecessor, renders actual legible text, and understands complex prompts like never before. Today, we're diving deep into GPT Image 1.5 on Artlist, the platform that's become home to every major AI model you need. Let's dive in. Head over to Artlist IO. I'll have the link in the description. Artlist has become the go-to platform for AI creators. Click on Start Free Now. Click on the AI Image section. Here, you will get text-to-image and image-to-image. You'll see GPT Image and other tools, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, Flux. There are 3 versions of GPT Image: low, medium, and high. For most use cases, medium is your sweet spot. It balances speed and visual quality perfectly. High is for when you need maximum detail. Low is for rapid iteration when you're brainstorming. For this tutorial, we're going with medium. Demo 1. Speed. In speed, GPT Image 1.5 flexes hard. We're starting with text-to-image generation. Here's our prompt. A professional product photographer's studio setup, modern camera, softbox lighting on both sides. I'm selecting a landscape and 2 images. Let's hit generate. Watch the speed here. We're talking seconds, not minutes. And look at this result. The studio setup is exactly what we asked for. The camera, the tripod, the softboxes positioned correctly. The lighting has that warm, professional quality. But here's what's impressive. Look at the camera details. The lens, the body, the tripod joints. These are coherent. This speed is a legitimate game changer. Demo 2. Precision editing. This is where the fix one thing without ruining everything promise gets tested. Switch to image mode at the top. Select your studio image into the upload box. Keep the same aspect ratio and model. Here's our edit prompt. Add a large ring light behind the camera. Change the backdrop from white to black. Add a small potted plant. The camera's rear LCD screen should display. Let's generate. Look at this. The ring light is there, positioned perfectly behind the camera. The backdrop is now black, but notice, the camera, the tripod, the windows, all unchanged. And there's our potted plant, tucked naturally in the corner. This is the precision editing promise delivered. Let's push it further. Upload this new image. New prompt. Remove the ring light and add a professional photographer standing beside the camera, wearing casual creative attire, black t-shirt and jeans, natural pose. Generate. And perfect. The ring light is gone. The photographer appeared beside the camera. One element removed, one added, everything else preserved. This is precision editing delivered. Demo 3. Text rendering and complex prompts. Switch back to text-to-image. Here's a complex prompt. A modern smartphone mock-up displaying a fitness app UI. The screen shows daily goals, cardio, 30 minutes, strength, 45 minutes, and yoga. Let's generate. And there it is. Daily goals, completely legible. The 3 cards with their labels, readable. The numbers, the text hierarchy, the UI layout, it's all there. This is what makes GPT Image 1.5 invaluable for UI designers, for app developers, for anyone creating mock-ups or presentations. Let's try one more. New prompt. A coffee shop chalkboard menu. The header says, today's specials. Below it lists caramel macchiato, vanilla latte, and espresso. Generate. Look at that. Every word is legible. The prices are correct. For any project where text needs to be part of the image, GPT Image 1.5 is your model. When to use? Now here's the strategic question. With all these models available on Artlist, when should you choose GPT Image 1.5? Nano Banana Pro excels at character consistency. Flux is incredible for photorealism. GPT Image 1.5 is your logic-driven precision tool. Use it when you need speed. Rapid storyboarding, fast iteration sessions. GPT Image 1.5 generates up to 4 times faster. You need surgical edits. When you have an image that's 90% perfect and you need to fix that 10% without regenerating everything, you need legible text. UI mockups, signage, infographics, Anywhere text is part of the image, not an overlay. You have complex, detailed prompts. GPT Image 1.5 excels at following multi-part instructions. GPT Image 1.5 isn't just another model update. It's solving real problems that have frustrated creators for years. The link to Artlist is in the description. Jump in, test GPT Image 1.5 against your actual projects. Like the video and subscribe to get more tutorials. Until next time, happy creating.